Hi there, students. Sobriquet, Soubriquet, Sobriquet. Okay, I'll look at the pronunciation in a second. A sobriquet or a soubriquet is a nickname, yeah, a humorous family nickname or a name that people call somebody or something that's not its real name. Okay, so how to pronounce this? This is a good one. I think you can go so or su to start with. Notice an alternative spelling of sobriquet is OU. Yeah, and you'll probably find me in the video. I say both sobriquet and sobriquet. Um, I've also heard people say sobriquet with the T at the end, but this is a word of French origin. You can pronounce it with an S and people will understand it. But French words normally in English, we cut the last consonant, particularly when it's something like a T. Okay, so a sobriquet. It's a humorous name for somebody. It's a name that we give to somebody. Um, and effectively, it's a nickname. Yeah, you can sometimes people choose a sobriquet, but it's much more likely that sobriquets are given to you by other people. Yeah, sobriquets are descriptive. It describes the person. Yeah, I'm sure you've all got sobriquets in your own families, names that people call you. Um, let's see. A sobriquet is slightly different to a pseudonym because um, a um, a pseudonym it's something that somebody assumes and then um, uh, tells everyone. So, for example, I Swear English is a pseudonym. It's not a sobriquet. The sobriquet is something that people call you, and then that becomes a nickname. Let's see, in we can have sobriquets for people, for places, for organizations. I don't know, for example, the sobriquet of the BBC is the Beeb, yeah? Or, I don't know, the Big Apple, that's New York, yeah? This is another sobriquet. The Windy City, that's a sobriquet for Chicago. Huh, Genghis Khan, believe it or not, that's a sobriquet because most people don't know that his real name was Temujin. Yeah, okay, so there are sobriquets for all sorts of things. We give things nicknames because we like them and it describes them. Yeah, it describes some characteristic of this person, yeah, or this place. So I don't know. Yeah, Uncle Sam is talking about the U.S. Yeah, probably with the initials US as well. Okay, so sobriquets are family nicknames or nicknames that people give to things. I think normally a sobriquet is a sign of respect and affection. Although sometimes sobriquets can be used to mock somebody as well, who's always um, doing something that people are judgmental about. Okay, so yeah, we all have sobriquets. What's your sobriquet? I remember a long time ago I used to have the sobriquet El Ruso, the Russian, because I used to wear this great big black greatcoat in winter, and I used to have this big beard, so they used to call me the Russian. But that's a sobriquet. Okay, so let's see. Formality. Sobriquet is a posh word for a nickname. I'm going to give it, I think, probably a 7 in formality. In an informal conversation, use nickname. Yeah? In a semi-formal conversation, I'd use nickname as well. I wouldn't use it. I think maybe a semi-formal or formal writing, yes. It sounds literary, it sounds posh, it sounds very intellectual. And then as to origin, well, it comes from the French word sobriquet, meaning a nickname. Middle French, soubriquet. It's to chuck somebody under the chin. Oh, what a beautiful little child. Yeah. But further back than that, I don't know. So a soubriquet, a sobriquet, a sobriquet, a soubriquet. A nickname for somebody. Very often just a shortened version of a person's name. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Soubriquet, sobriquet, soubriquet, sobriquet.